You could, you could eat. I'm a mess. I swear. I've got food all over my face because this one is just that good. These are my chicken parmesan stuffed bread. They're like boats or floats or something. They're just, it's a shortcut to having chicken parmesan that your family's gonna love just as much as we love it here, my kids especially. So if they love it, I just know you're gonna love it too. Let me show you how. This one's a super quick dinner. It starts off with chopped flat leaf Italian parsley. I'm gonna chop this up, then slide it aside so it's ready for me. Now in a large mixing bowl, I've got 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. To that we'll add that parsley we just chopped up. I'm adding in the Blackstone Tuscan Herb seasoning. It's full of flavor, some salt, black pepper, and we're gonna grate in 2 large fresh garlic cloves. Next up, I've got this beautiful wedge of Parmesan Reggiano. We'll mix this all together. I am gonna add in a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Now this is all mixed up. We're going to slide that aside and get our Italian rolls ready. South Philly Kaiser rolls, these are my favorite. We're gonna slice off the tops. Don't get rid of them. You can use these once they dry out or get a little stale. You can turn them into breadcrumbs along with the inside of this bread that I'm hollowing out, or turn them into some croutons. Now, once my bread is all hollowed out, we can bring back our chicken parm mixture. We're going to use our little spatula and stuff this bread full of that mixture, making sure that you seal the edges but create a nice flat surface. I've got my Blackstone basting pot. I'm gonna fill this up with some pasta sauce, marinara sauce. We'll let this heat up and then drop down a drizzle of olive oil onto our griddle, smear that along, and then grab our stuffed bread and get it meat side down onto the griddle. Let this just cook, hang out, do its thing for about 6 to 7 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Keep an eye on that marinara sauce. Make sure that we give it a few mixes here and there. Then we'll get back to that loaded bread. Flip it over. We're gonna let it continue to cook through and get that bread nice and toasted on the bottom. At the same time, we're gonna start to load these up with a spoonful of that marinara, and I've got a blend of shredded mozzarella and provolone cheese, a big old handful of this on top of each one. Grab our dome, cover these up. In about 4 to 5 minutes, these are done, ready to pull off and plate up. I'm gonna finish it with a post dust of that Blackstone Tuscan Herb, along with more of that Parmesan or Parmesan Reggiano cheese. And then we'll slice up some basil leaves sprinkled all over the top, maybe a little extra post dust of that Tuscan Herb, and now these are ready to eat. This is an easy shortcut to enjoying one of my favorites, chicken parm, without having to do all the breading, even though I do love chicken cutlets on the Blackstone, and I have a video for it, so you better go watch it. This though, this is a fun switch up, and I know you guys are gonna love it. Serve it alongside extra marinara. I promise you're gonna enjoy this one just as much as we do here. Post a picture if you make it. I cannot wait to see your family enjoying this family style favorite. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys for another favorite of mine in my next video.